वेलकम टू अवर चैनल ITI MCQ गुरु। आज हम ICTSM ट्रेड के सेकंड ईयर के सभी फुल फॉर्म का अभ्यास करेंगे। अभी तक जितनी भी एग्जाम हुई है उसमें सबसे ज्यादा फुल फॉर्म पूछे गए हैं। ये सब फुल फॉर्म भारत स्किल के हैं और उसी में से ही CBT एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं। अगर आप ये चैनल पे फर्स्ट टाइम आए हो तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर से करिए। यहाँ आपको ट्रेड थियरी MCQ, वर्कशॉप कैलकुलेशन MCQ, इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग MCQ एंड एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल के टॉपिक वाइज MCQ और CBT पेपर सॉल्यूशन मिलेंगे, जिसकी लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी गई है। WORM स्टैंड फॉर, आंसर इज राइट वंस, रीड मैनी। SATA स्टैंड फॉर, answer is Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. What is the full form of MOV in UPS? Answer is Metal Oxide Varistors. What is the full form of SMF battery? Answer is Sealed Maintenance Free. What is the full form of EOL in UPS? Answer is End of Life. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Answer is Wireless Fidelity. What is the full form of IR in wireless communication? Answer is infrared. What is the full form of AGP? Answer is Accelerated Graphic Port. What is the full form of DVR card? Answer is Digital Video Recorder. What is the meaning of IRQ? Answer is Interrupt Request. What is the full form of DMA? Answer is Direct Memory Access. What is the full form of EGA in monitor? Answer is Enhanced Graphic Adapter. What is the full form of OLED in monitor? Answer is Organic Light Emitting Diode. What is the full form of MDA? Answer is Monochrome Display Adapter. What is the full form of LCD? Answer is Liquid Crystal Display. What is RGB in LCD projector? Answer is red, green, blue. What is the full form of CRT? Answer is cathode ray tube. What is full form of PDA in touchpad? Answer is Personal Digital Assistant. What is the full form of SSID in installation of wireless printer? Answer is Service Set Identifier. What is the full form of OPC in laser printer? Answer is Organic Photo Conductor Drum. What is the full form of CIS scanner? Answer is Contact Image Sensor. What is the full form of ADF in scanner future? Answer is Automatic Document Feeder. What is the full form of QR code? Right answer, Quick Response Code. What is the full form of ECU in laser printer? Right answer, Engine Control Unit. What is full form of MIDI in sound card? Answer is Musical Instrument Digital Interface. What is full form of SNR in sound quality? Answer is Signal to Noise Ratio. What is the full form of DSL in modem? Answer is Digital Subscriber Line. What is the full form of Mbps in modem? Answer is Megabyte per second. What is the full form of POST? Answer is Power on Self Test. What is the full form of NTFS? Answer is New Technology File System. What is the full form of SCSI in Drive? Right answer, Small Computer System Interface. What is the full form of DAT drive? Right answer, Digital Audio Tape. What is the full form of SSD drive? Right answer, Solid State Drive. What is the full form of CD-ROM? Answer is Compact Disk Read Only Memory. What is stand for ESD? Answer is Electrostatic Discharge. What is the full form of www? Answer is World Wide Web. What is the full form of ISP? Answer is Internet Service Provider. What is the full form of HTTP? Answer is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. What is email? Answer is Electronic Mail. What is the full form of BCC in email? Answer is Blind Carbon Copy. What is the full form of CPI in cloud computing? Answer is Cloud Provider Interface. What is the full form of LAN? Answer is Local Area Network. What is the full form of NIC? Answer is Network Interface Card. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Answer is Wireless Fidelity. What is the full form of UTP? Answer is Unshielded Twist Pair. What is the full form of OFC? Answer is Optical Fiber Cable. What is the full form of RJ45? Answer is Registered Jack 45. What is the full form of OSI model? Answer is Open System Interconnection Model. What is the full form of RIP? Answer is Routing Information Protocols. What is the full form of IPv4? Answer is Internet Protocol version 4. What is the full form of IGRP? Answer is Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. What is the full form of FTP? Answer is File Transfer Protocol. What is the full form of SMTP? Answer is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. What is the full form of DHCP? Answer is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. What is the full form of DNS? Answer is Domain Name System. What is the full form of VPN? Answer is Virtual Private Network. What is the full form of ADDS? Answer is Active Directory Domain Service. What is the full form of BOOTP? Answer is Bootstrap Protocol. What is the full form of DORA in DHCP? Answer is Discovery, Office, Request, Acknowledge. What is the full form of RRAS? Answer is Routing and Remote Access Service. What is the full form of RAAP? Answer is Remote Access Authentication Protocol. What does AGDLP stand for? Answer is Account, Global, Domain Local, Permission. Thank you for watching our channel ITI MCQ Guru. Please subscribe our channel, like, share and comment.